Dialogue. This dialogue is between Julia, a recent immigrant in Australia, and Sam, a bank representative. Julia wants advice on opening a bank account and understanding her options for saving and managing her money. The dialogue begins now.
Good afternoon, Julia. I understand you're looking to open a new bank account with us.
Magandang hapon, Sam. Yes, kailangan ko ng bank account. Kakadating ko lang sa Australia at gusto kong ayusin ang finances ko.
Great. We have several types of accounts. A savings account is good for earning interest, while a transaction account is ideal for everyday purchases. Do you know which type you need?
Gusto ko sana ng account na makakatulong sa pag-ipon at kumita ng interest, pero kailangan ko rin ng madaling access sa pera ko.
In that case, we offer a flexible savings account that gives you access to your money and pays monthly interest. You could also consider a term deposit if you're looking to save long-term without withdrawing frequently.
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
Ayos yan. Pero ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng savings account at term deposit?
A term deposit locks in your money for a fixed period, usually with a higher interest rate. With a savings account, you have more flexibility but slightly lower interest.
Gets ko. Gusto ko rin sanang malaman tungkol sa international transfers. Pwede bang magpadala ng pera sa pamilya ko sa bansa namin?
Absolutely. Our bank offers international transfers, and you can use online banking or visit a branch to do so. We also have competitive exchange rates and a low transfer fee.
Perfect. At isa pa, may tips ba kayo kung paano makapagsimula sa pagbuo ng credit history dito sa Australia?
Yes, building a credit history is important. You can start by using a low-limit credit card and making sure you pay it off each month. This will show a positive credit record, which could help if you ever want a loan or mortgage.
Salamat, Sam. Ang laki ng naitulong mo para maintindihan ko ang options ko dito.
My pleasure, Julia. Let us know if you have any questions in the future.